In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. If your Marketplace icon has suddenly disappeared from Facebook, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by a simple app issue, a temporary account problem, or a feature availability limitation. We'll go through the most effective things to check so you can find out why it's missing and hopefully get it back. First, open the Facebook app or website and check the menu section. Tap the menu icon, usually shown as 3 horizontal lines, and look through the list of shortcuts for Marketplace. Sometimes the icon is no longer pinned to the main navigation bar, but the feature is still available inside the menu. This is the quickest place to start. Next, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Facebook, and install the latest update if one is available. An outdated app can sometimes cause features to disappear or display incorrectly, so keeping the app updated is an important basic fix. After that, try logging out of your Facebook account and then logging back in. Sign out, wait a few minutes, then sign back in and check whether the Marketplace icon appears. This can refresh your session and resolve small account-related glitches. If that doesn't work, fully close the Facebook app and restart your device. Whether you're using a phone or a computer, a restart can clear temporary issues that may be interfering with the app or website. If you're on Android, you should also clear the Facebook cache. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, then Facebook, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen Facebook and check again. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may have become corrupted. Another important step is to check your Marketplace eligibility. Make sure your account meets Facebook's Marketplace requirements, that Marketplace is available in your country or region, and that your account hasn't been restricted from using it. You should also check for account restrictions directly. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings and open Account Status or Support Inbox. Review any notices related to Marketplace restrictions or policy violations, since these can remove access to the feature. If possible, try logging in on another device or in a different browser. This helps you figure out whether the problem is tied to your current app, browser, or device. You can also uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. Download the latest version again from your device's app store, sign in, and see if the icon returns. Finally, keep in mind that sometimes the Marketplace icon disappears because of a temporary Facebook bug or server issue. If that's the case, wait a few hours and check again. That's how to fix the Facebook Marketplace icon missing.